Hey everybody, we are back working on the Clearwater Mist that I got out of the trash from the previous video. We gave it a bath and I got some accessories for it. We got a new seat for it. So as you remember, here is the old seat right here. It was broken into two pit laces. So I went ahead and I pulled it out of its bracket here, and you can see this was made 8 of 14. So this kayak is 7 years old. I do believe that Clearwater, I think it's not Clearwater Leisure, it's some other company, but the people that made this kayak is no longer in business. So let's start off with scuppers. So I went ahead and I bought an 8-pack of scuppers off of eBay. And the problem with these scuppers is they're quite hard, and you kind of got to really force them in the holes pretty hard for them to stay. And I got 8 scuppers for $13.99. So I didn't think that was too bad of a deal. So I thought I'd try them out, but I'm not sure if I like them. Now, this boat, when I got it, had these rubber plugs. So you can see one is still in here, and they just push in there. I could use one of these in here, but this is where your seat bottom is. So they'd probably be pretty uncomfortable to sit on, so these would probably be your better deal. So I have 2, and I kind of figured if these didn't work, I need to find something else. So I was at Ace Hardware, and I happened to find some rubber leg tips, 4-pack, $2.79. And the inside diameter here is 7/8 of an inch. Well, these holes are about an inch. So I've already opened the package. What's good about these plugs is I can put them in like that and they won't fall through. So in case these plugs don't work out, I have these plugs to try out. And for $2.79, rather than $13.99, what a deal. Alrighty, so let's go on. Oh, and also too, on eBay, this back handle, the pad eye was broken. So I went ahead and I bought 50 iPads. And what was the price on those? Those were $10. So I got 50 iPads for $10. And here's another new one right here, I do believe. When I was flipping the boat upside down, I broke one. So already used those. So there's that. So there's the broken seat. And we got our new seat off of eBay. Now, I thought the seat was still available, but these are aftermarket seat forms. I haven't even put it on, haven't tried it. We're going to go ahead and try it right now. So the aftermarket seat is a little bit different. It's not a hard seat. It appears to be a soft seat. All right, you should be able to see what I'm doing. So let's open up the package and we'll see what it looks like. All right, we got straps for the front, straps for the back. Check this out. It even has a, here it is. It even has a zippered compartment in the back, so you can put stuff in, and it even has a grommet there for a drain hole. Bonus. So let's see. So obviously that's the back, this is the top. Let's just move this scupper out. So this is going to sit here like this. This is going to hook in this one. This is going to hook in this one. And then these two are going to run down to here. And now we just got to get them adjusted. So that looks pretty good there. on with this one? That's what's going on. Let's go to the other side. Too much. Loosen that back up. So I guess when you sit down in this and you put your back against it, you're might going to have to adjust these up probably a little bit more, tighten them up to get them to pull farther forward. But at least it's got a little bit of a padding, and you've got a backrest. It's probably going to need a piece of wood or something else to help that seat stand up properly. But at least I have something now that we can try out that's a little bit more comfortable than not having anything at all. Oh, and also too, one of the handles was broken. So this is actually, if you know what that insignia is, do you know what that insignia is? This is a Briggs & Stratton pull cord. So I put that up front as another grab handle, which is seems to be working fine. It's strong. So there we go, everybody. There are updates on the Clearwater Mist 8.6 kayak that we got out of the trash. I think what I might have to do, let me disconnect this and this, is I'm gonna make a piece that fits in here and then comes up as a wood backer or some type of backer to help give this seat some more support. I do like that it has a little pocket here that zips up that you can put stuff in. I know it's not waterproof, but at least you can put something in there. All right, everybody, I think I'm gonna leave it at this. Here is my Clearwater Mist I got out of the trash. We're trying to make it water worthy again. We got the new seat, we got the scupper plugs. We got two different style scupper plugs. I repaired the eye here and the eye over here. So we're almost ready to take it out on the water. And I think I've got my family talked into, we're gonna probably go out and buy 2 more sit on kayaks and start kayaking, because there is a place here 15 miles from here. There's a water reservoir that we can go on, and I will probably be filming that, and I might take the white boat out on it also. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my out for the trash videos.